Hi, today in this video I will show you how to create these super cute stockings for Christmas. They are a nice solution for a tag, for a gift, or you can hang them to your Christmas tree, or you can use them as a home decor or as a bookmark, and in many other ways. I will show you how to create them with an easy make. Okay, let's get started. I created a template as usual, because I think that with the template it's more easy to create many of them. So you will need your template, a piece of Christmas paper, and then with a pair of scissors you can do in this way. You can put your template above on your piece of paper, and then resize your paper, and then now cut your stocking. Okay, I will put the link to the template below the video, but you will find the template on my blog, so it will be more easy to create the stockings. Okay, now we have our stocking, and then we will need to create this part, and this part. Okay, now with a paper punch, a circle punch, if you need to buy a punch, please buy the circle one, because it's quite useful for many projects. Okay, now we will cut a circle, and then we will glue our circle at the end of the stocking in this way. Okay, now with the scissors we will cut the excess. Voila. Then we will need to create this part with another paper circle. We will glue this paper circle on the back of the stocking, and then the same process with your scissors. You will need to cut the excess of the paper. Here our stocking. Okay, now we will need to create this part, and then we will use our piece of paper, and we can create a sort of rectangle, and then okay, voila, and then we will cut our paper. We can adjust the form after we have cut the paper. Okay, we need only to adjust this angle, more round, it's better. Okay, and then another little cut here. Voila, our stocking is ready. Okay, now we can embellish our stocking. I created for this stocking a sort of poinsettia, and then we can create another sort of poinsettia in this way. We will need a flower punch. Okay, and then we will need this one. Sorry, no, just a second. Okay, now we will have another piece of red paper. Okay, and then we will glue together these 3 flowers in order to create our poinsettia. Okay, and then the 3rd flower. Okay, for the center I will use a little dot that I created, a little circle, sorry, that I created with a gold paper, glitter paper. Voila, and then we will attach the poinsettia as we prefer, in the place we prefer. I will attach here. I'd like to create also some leaves. Voila, I think it's quite nice. Okay, now we will have to glue all to the stocking. And our project is ready. Voila. Okay, and here our finished stocking, and you can use them in many different ways, and I think that they are a nice home decor. You can create them bigger and then hang to the window or outside of your door, or if you have a fireplace, on your fireplace. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like my video, and see you next time with another paper creation for Christmas. Bye bye.